I recall one day walking out of a lectureship of the president of Queen's College, John Polkinghorne at Cambridge, who's a recent comer to Christianity. He is now a believer and has written some fine books. He's one of the leading quantum physicists in the world. He's not a very big man, but he's got almost an angelic beam when he talks. And his first lecture was entitled The First 3 Minutes of the Universe. I was glad they went only up to 3 minutes because it was getting kind of heavy. And he says this, he said, do you know, as he said to these postdoctoral students sitting there, he says, do you know, a colleague of Stephen Hawking, by the way, is Polkinghorne. He says that the balance needed in the early seconds of the universe, the early seconds between its expansion and contraction rate had to be so specific, so on target, he says, with a margin of error so small that he says it would be the equivalent of taking aim at a target the other end of the universe 20 billion light years away, aiming at a 1 square inch object 20 billion light years away and hitting it spot on.
When trekking through the galactic jungles, one must steer clear of the cosmic hot zones, places teeming with violence.
There are dangerous places, certainly very energetic phenomena that are a lot more powerful than atomic bombs being detonated, infinitely more powerful.
The universe does seem to be a very violent place. Seem to have been born in a violent explosion called the Big Bang, and there's all sorts of violent processes going on.
On December 27, 2004, satellites picked up the greatest cosmic explosion ever recorded. A blast 30,000 light years away, which had the power to briefly alter our planet's upper atmosphere. The blast was caused by a magnetar, the densest and one of the most dangerous stars in space. These mischievous stars have the strongest magnetic field in the universe. Scientists have confirmed 12 of these rare stars in our galaxy, and there may be more.